I don't plan on sharing a lot of updates as I write the book, but the journey is very interesting. Not my first journey, and many of you have written books yourself, so you know the journey can be both fun and enlightening and frustrating all in the same 5 seconds. But I wanted to give you an update on where things are. In particular, sort of why I've gotten to where I am. So a lot of the work I'm doing in preparation to teach at Iowa State this fall, and some work that I'm doing with CoCollege, COE College in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, my alma mater, and how they're leveraging AI have opened up all kinds of ideas and concepts and areas where we can use AI to create what I'm now calling the AI human edge. That's the name of the book now, the AI human edge. But as I work on this stuff, it has to be material that I can teach. It has to be both pragmatic from the sense that a data science AI team can actually implement it, and it has to be understandable and reachable, relevant to a larger audience of people, not just professionals, but not professional sports players, but all kinds of professionals, or nurses or teachers or creative writers or producers, whatever they might be, right? So I brought along 2 cohorts to help me on that journey. The first one, Wei Lin, who was my chief data scientist at both AMC and at Hitachi Vantara, has come on board to help me make certain that these data science and AI concepts actually work. And so not only is he validating them, he's expanding them, knowing that someone like him actually has to put these into action. So he's my first cohort to make sure that what I'm talking about, what we're writing about, is actually works. And the second cohort is Renee Lahti, who I've talked about before, and she represents to me, how do we reach the mass audiences, mass number of people who need to understand how AI can give them an edge. And she works a lot with a lot of nonprofits. She's working overseas with women-centric programs, trying to bring these AI and data science concepts to the masses. And she represents to me the perfect model, the perfect persona against which I need to make sure that this book is understandable. So this journey has been illuminating in the sense that every time I have an idea, I have to run it by Wei to make certain from a data science perspective this actually works and makes sense, and I have to run it by Renee to make sure that it's not just schmarzo speak, but actually applies to the broader world. And I'm very excited that I think this is going to be very successful. So I'm anxious to teach this in the fall semester at Iowa State University. I'm eager to help CoCollege deploy these concepts as they work AI into their very fabric of the university. And so keep watching this space, and I'll keep sharing more along the journey. But it has been for me very illuminating and damn exciting. Anyway, cheers.